Here. You know how many people that are happy I'm going back to school, y'all? I'm nervous, but it's alright. I don't like him right now. I'm not feeling him. Sorry, you guys. Did you guys miss me? Did you think I was gonna come back? Or did you guys think you scared me off or something? What did you guys think? Oh, am I embarrassing you guys?
Reverse that car, girl, I'm fucking right now. Climb on this standard rail, hope you can handle it. Beat that kid up when it's down, put it down. Let's make a movie, girl, I do the shooting. Camera in my left, put your hand in my right. Water keep dripping while I lay this pipe. Sex is a drug, well, let's enjoy this high. No time to make love it. Keep screaming, you want it. Girl, you looking lovely. When you ride this pony, we can do this till the morning. So please come and ride me. Love it when I'm deep inside you.
Well, why are you here? If it's ill, why'd you come in here? So, you looking though. You looking though, bro. You looking though. You didn't have to come in. You came in, baby. You liking something here.
Struck out two zone, but I'm on it. Just screaming my name and say, Daddy, I'm coming. I'm coming too. I put mine in your stomach, so baby, let's go. I wanna feel your body on top of my head. Right now, we ain't gon' waste no time, baby. Like a Harley in the wind, got you bringing to your friends the way you ride. Like a rodeo, ride like a rodeo, baby. I wanna feel your body on top of my head. Right now, we ain't gon' waste no time, baby. Like a Harley in the wind, got you bringing to your friends the way you ride. Like a rodeo, like a rodeo, baby.
He love how I ride it. Hop on a dick, I made him get excited. This pussy off limits for lame niggas. Yeah, fuck me like you got some pain in you. Can't go back and forth with no groupie hoes. But these bitches love how you do me though. Had to tell her that dick off limits. I hop on it at night, I'm a menace. Yeah, he get the stroking. Oh, how I love when he choking. Bitch, I'm a boss, I do what I want. I don't need a nigga controlling me. I look at my wrist, it's an AP watch. I fuck your nigga in off-white socks. He want a fun bitch, girl, not a thought. I keep it juicy, he coming alive. When he dip inside, I be going insane. Scratching his back, I know he feeling pain. Okay, he iced me out like snow day. Eliante is a cold case. Right on that dick like road rage. I can put on a show, I don't need a stage. Fucking with me, he gon' need sage. Don't make me go back to my old ways.
I wanna feel your body on top of my head. Right now, we ain't gon' waste no time, baby. Like a Harley in the wind, got you bringing to your friends the way you ride. Like a rodeo, ride like a rodeo, baby. I wanna feel
Do you guys think I need 302?
right now, we ain't gon' waste no time, baby. Like a Harley in the wind, got you bringing to your friends the way you ride. Like a rodeo, like a
What's my shirt say, y'all?
let me kiss it, baby. Tell me when you really, really miss me, baby. Sex is a sport and you can picture, baby. Gotta take my time when I'm in it, baby. Foreplay only if you with it, baby. Shake it doing this since y'all kissing, baby. My sex drive at all time, high beat it up, but I promise I won't kill it, baby. Will. Girl, just tell me how you want it. I got good stamina, mommy. You like to scratch on my back, but tonight you on top of this pony. Breathing hard, you got me sweating. I'm trying to eat you for breakfast, eat you for lunch and dinner if you let me. I'm trying to give you what you really miss, yeah. I wanna feel your body on top of my head. Right now, we ain't gon' waste no time, baby. Like a Harley in the wind, got you bringing to your friends the way you ride. Like a rodeo, ride like a rodeo, baby. I wanna feel your body on top of my head. Right now, we ain't gon' waste no time, baby.
Okay,
Like a Harley in the wind, got you
you guys, we need to research the resources for 220. Oh shit, you guys, we got a problem. So, hey baby, hey, you sugar plum. So there's a thing with Trump that's going on. So a follower of mine said if I was a supporter of Trump, that I needed to unfollow her. So I unfollowed, clearly. Because I am behind Trump But there's, I guess he's saying pretty much you're allowed here if you attend school for so many years. He's all for education, which is awesome. But damn, what are you doing, Trump? We're gonna get overpopulated real quick. So I don't know if that's true or not. You know. Fuck, yeah. Yeah, I'm just, I don't think that. I think if they're gonna come into the States at all, they need all their immunizations before they even enter the premises, because otherwise they're gonna be contaminating us. So I feel that, immunizations before you enter any, wherever, they want to be or go. But what I preach is, us people, all of us, we got our school shots or immunizations. People that aren't from the U.S., I can't wait either, baby. Thank you. Thank you for rooting for me. They all are, baby. Oh, they all are. It's coming quick. I'm going. I was with my caseworker this morning. I am going. I don't lie. I am going. As well as, the therapy for me and my children. Absolutely. It's all, But anyway, I can't wait till the 6th either. Y'all tripping. Y'all think I ain't fucking waiting? Boy, for president 2020. Look, I know what I know, and I know what I know. And I know what I know, and I know what I know. So I cannot wait to see the judge and thank him for his beautiful service, because he probably should have been retired, but he's not. But it's all right. Or, yeah. Oh, I know, sweetheart. They do. They be thinking, I only show, and y'all see what you see when I'm on here. You hear, y'all have no clue what even happens off of here. So I ain't got time for it. So I avoid all that. Yeah, I think it's funny that they're, trying to throw up old videos. Those are good memories, man. For real, keep throwing them bitches out. I know what your intentions are, throwing up skeletons, and I don't give a fuck. Those are memories of when I was in a shelter to now I'm in my own motherfucking crib, bro. Hey, I upgraded. Yeah, exactly. Thank you, sis. Thank you very much. I wish they would comprehend sometime sooner or later. I don't know what's going on these days. I really don't. Oh! Woo! So I happen to have seen repost. I want to say no names, but the person that dozed off on live or something like that a while back, I'm surprised her neck is not broke. Her head went like from... Thank you. Thank you. Did you think that was going to hurt my feelings or something, sweetheart? Because it didn't. It didn't, baby. My skin's pretty thick. And there's a kiss for you too, babe. So suck on that with some gas air. No. Somebody else. No, I am not talking about her. No, not at all, sweet cheeks. Let me see if I can get, yeah, you said it right there. I was waiting to see it, and I finally saw it, and oh boy, that shit went down pretty quick. Really. And then, it's not funny, but someone in the comments, because you could see the comments on the repost, and someone was like, oh no. And the way that I guess they said it, I guess in the comment, I guess. Yeah, I thought it was like they knew it was going to happen. I have seen LR quite a bit live today. This girl got so many accounts. I got her blocked. Why do I keep seeing her? But she was crying and acting like she was hurting, and she probably is hurting. You know, I can't say she's not, but she had a rough night last night. She says, and now her dad's in the hospital. And now what really got me though, I watched from the window. I won't ever. Sometimes I fucking slip and go in by accident, but I get out real quick. I get out real quick. Oh boy, do I. Because I really pray hard for her, man. I really do. She was calling all the people that were... this morning, the first live, she was cursing all the followers. There was like over 1,000 people in there, I can guarantee. The C words. She only got $2. She needs 18 more. Oh, she was going all off. She had none of you effing... Then second live, she comes back on, and I haven't made it to the clinic yet. My back. And then I noticed she played the sympathy part. If you listen to her, she said, that's all right, you guys are going to wish you gave me that $20. That's that guilt trip she's trying to play. She stated, you guys are going to regret you didn't give me that $20, or you wish you did help me because you won't see me again, type shit. Like, whoa, now you really taking it that far, bro? Damn, it ain't that deep for $20. Ooh, we gotta pray for her really hard. I mean, harder than what we've been. Oh, thank you, Team Resource, Michelle. Well, not even a year. And when I care. And because I went in with good intentions when I was trying to help her. She's just really sick, man. I tried telling everybody she was done. I won't overstep boundaries, but she told me stuff that, I mean, you knew it wasn't the sickness, it was her. I mean, she was crying. Cole was it. That's where the depression and everything came in. I know that they were not together. Again, I'm not going to say what she told me, because that's none of nobody's business. But Cole and her were not together for 2 years. He was with somebody else. Whatever. But that is her baby dad. And once she lost him, you know, depression and all that shit locks in. Doesn't mean she didn't love the guy or it wasn't it. Anyway, I tried telling everybody she was done, but nobody fucking wants to listen to me. They never do. They don't want to listen to nobody but themselves. That's all. So I will not follow her, but I keep seeing her. So since I see her, I watch from the window. Hey, you're looking good, but damn, girl, please go get help. Please, babe. Please go get help. Ooh, somebody out there. Is there somebody out there that can help me with the resources of helping this beautiful soul? So, we're gonna have a very outstanding story here. This is pretty deep, y'all. It's pretty deep. Pretty deep. A lot of you guys in here, but nobody's talking, huh? You nosy motherfuckers. What do you gotta say, huh? What do you gotta say about yourself? Always they stay nosy. It's a bloodline, I guess, or something. Oh, I didn't even know you were in here, sweetheart. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to say. You know. I'm not talking about you, sweetheart. They know who I'm fucking talking about. They know. You know. The Resource Club. That's what we are. Woo! You guys, Stitch likes me. Don't I got nice teeth? Oh, I'm gonna take her outside and play here in a little bit. Me. Me? What? Me? Boo. What are you talking about, me? Me? Oh, sis, there was a lot. This guy wanted to come, he couldn't understand anything but tap, tap, tap. And I love you. They know motherfucking English. Boy, because he said, I love you fine. Yeah, Charlie, about he don't know English. Motherfucker. So I was talking in Spanish. He talking about he don't know Spanish. And talking about I was speaking English, and I wasn't even. I said, do you speak Japanese? He's talking about, yeah. I said, dirty knees, look at these. No, I'm just kidding. I didn't say all that, but, you know. What's for dinner tonight? Maybe your dad or mom. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. I'll let you know in a minute, though. Is that okay? Is that okay, ma'am? But I was, thinking of maybe, Oh, okay, okay. So I'm thinking about making tacos. Is what I'm thinking about doing. But you want to know what I had for lunch? Would you like to know what I had for lunch? Oh. Ow. Would you like to know? Placenta. Yeah, I had the placenta. I had the placenta for lunch. The placenta of McDonald's is what I had. Taco Bell. Starbucks? No. Nope. But. Boom! Oh! So I had McDonald's for lunch. The placenta of McDonald's. I had some nuggets and fries. Boogie boogie. Yeah, that's what that is. Yeah, that's exactly what that is. And I'm actually finishing up the rest of the other one. Is that okay, you guys? Is that okay? Yeah, we definitely frappe in the resource and the research of placenta. So I got the placenta of the frappes. Yeah, they're really good. They're really good. They're really, really good. The fuck you growling at, bro? You want me to have Matilda come handle you? Somebody go get Matilda now. Now. Matilda. Wait, where is it? How much are they? Oh, shit. I want to say like 4 or 5, something like that. Michelle! Like 4 or 5, something like that. Oh, thank you, Stacy. They're probably pretty, you know, I was eating some broccoli a little bit ago, with my McDonald's. Well, you know, McDonald's and my broccoli. And now, placenta and a whole ordeal. Oh, no, it's my dog. And I think it's because it's nice out, because she really wants to go out. And I didn't give her bath yet because it's muddy out, and it is nice, though. So we're having to take her out. I want to take her, or give her bath right before her, like, take her out her last time and then give her a bath. Is how I want to do it. You know what I mean? Jelly bean. So I don't give her a bath and she goes outside wet. Yeah, tobacco. Look, I'm going to tell you what. These right here made me gain weight. I'm going to tell you, they really did. It did. The coffees definitely did. Because I weigh 135. And I used to be 113. So, it definitely... Yeah, and roll around in the grass as well. So, I'm not trying to do all that. You know, if I'm giving her a bath, it's a one-time ordeal. You know what I mean? Hey... But now Leia, I can't give a bath. She's too little yet. She's too little. Oh shit. You guys need more water. Damn, y'all be running through this motherfucking water. So, I do not speak with her, but Thank you for asking. I don't get involved with you said or drama or any of that. No, that was a headache. She knew that exactly what they were doing, so I pretty much told her, if that's what you believe that. I got too much drama over here to be dealing with that drama. I mean, yeah, anyway. So, yeah, I just blocked the situation. I block any situation that is any kind of fucking drama. Thank you, Team Resource, Sonny. Alright, we're gonna go outside. Hold on. She knew clearly, even others were telling her, no, she didn't, Carol, and she was still listening to everybody else. But it's okay, it's okay. I mean, it's alright. I didn't lose no sleep, that's for sure. I mean, alright. Alright, let me get my coat, and we can go out here again. What the fuck? I'm telling you, this dog, she loves to go outside. I'm going to have to turn on a filter, though, you guys. TikTok, can I use your resources? Please, TikTok. TikTok, can I use your resources? Please. Because if I don't use your resource, you're going to get in trouble. You're going to tag me for doing something that I shouldn't be doing. And I need to use your research. In the bio and the diaphragm. And the placenta. Woo! Now, I will tell you what. Them coffees give me gas. In my ass. It's nice out. Alright, TikTok, I really gotta use this. Oh, that's my oldest. Hold on a minute. That's my oldest. What? Aw, Auntie J said, "Aw, her love you." That was cute. Sorry. I give you permission. All right, thank you, baby. Okay, thank you, sweetheart. I appreciate that so much, Michelle. Now they're gonna be saying I beg TikTok for a fucking resource. You know, it's gonna be. Well, I'm not lazy. I got cleaning and stuff to do. Oh boy. Oh, she's gonna whine. I see you getting ready. Look, dog, can we do a favor here, please? Can you learn to get up and down off the chair, please, so we don't have to continue doing this? I would so appreciate that. I'll tell you what, Pride's a good role model. She follows Pride. I don't even need her on a leash. Nope, not one bit. I mean, well, eventually, you know, like for walks or whatever, I would. Okay, alright. Okay, sounds good, sweetie Petey. Alright, come on, little snookums. I got him, don't worry, sis. You know me. You know me, Tootsie Pop. You be safe. You get back when you can. I got him under control of Muffin. Oh, shit. Go ahead. Go. Oh, easy. Oh, damn, you just straight pushed her. What the fuck kind of shit is that? Damn, it is really nice. Love you so much. Love Muffin Pudding Pie. Yeah, what are we doing outside? Come on. Come on, we're gonna go for a walk. Oh, good girl, Leia. Good girl. Good girl. Love you too, sweetheart. Be safe. And take your time. You guys, I just had to flick my Vic one time. I'm gonna walk my dogs just right around this little block. It is really nice out. Wow. Woo, come on, dogs. Let's do it up. Let's check on these homeless people down here by the water. Wonder if they're okay. We don't go all the way down, though, Leia. No. We don't need you in the water. Damn, that's gonna suck, because it's summertime. The girls are gonna want to swim down there, especially Faith. I mean, I'm pretty sure me being down there with them, I mean, it's for everybody. It's not just for them, I don't think. Oh, boy, how would you do something like this? Oh. Let's check on them. Come on. Leia, come on. Good girl. Look at you. Shh, be quiet, Kate. They're sleeping. Whoa. No, you can't go down there. Pride, you're not getting wet either. What do you think this is, bro? Wonder if any of them left. Oh. Oh my god. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Damn. Get up here. Leia. Leia, let's go. No. Oh my goodness, bro. There's a lot. Now I see why the cops are always here. Alright, come on. No. Wow, there's a lot of people. Oh, 8. Damn. Oh. Go ahead, you're good, baby. Damn, 8 people. That is sad. Right by the water. No, no, come on. Wow. Oh, this just breaks my heart. Why would they go by water, though? That's cold air. It's winter. Buck. Come on, Pride. No, no. Pride. Pride! Hey! Puto! Oh, Leia's gonna... Oh. Pride, come on. Come on. They already got... Now. Come on. I know what you're looking for, that fucking dead animal that was there. But I think the animal people or whatever cleaned it up because it's not there. There are 4 of them I actually gave food for on Thanksgiving. No, see, now we're not. Let's go. This is why you don't do this. And then Leia follows you. Oh, look, Leia's about to run. Front! Now! Let's go! Oh, my dear. Oh, me and you both. Me and you both. Oh, me and you both. But see, some situations it's different. You know, like, people, like they're addicts or something, you know what I mean? So, hey, get over here. So they kind of like ain't even trying to look for a place. Now, hey, where are you going, little butt? Leia, dog's got you thrown, and then you got some, you know, it is, in certain areas, it's hard to find a place to live. But then some, they don't even try to look or even help their situation at all. Hey, let's go. Get out of there. No more egg salad. Good, they cleaned it up. Good. Look at you not listening. Why, honey bunny? I know she's not listening, is she? Mira. Hey, do you belong to them people that in Pakistan, whatever it's called? Hey, do you belong to them? Because you're not understanding me very well. Hey, where are we going now? No. Hey! Why is she not listening? What is... Well, she's probably trying to get away from Leia. These dogs next door, if they come out, even though they're fenced in, they start barking. Leia runs right to the front door. Oh, she don't understand they can't get out. It's so cute, though. What, are we just going to hang out here? Huh? Oh. Oh, excuse me. Some of the homeless down there, though, got it hooked up pretty nice. Well, I guess the best they can. They got like a tarp where it stops them from getting wet. Then there's like 3 of them that got a tent. Hey, why are you chewing on my pants? The rest of them, though, I hope they got a sleeping bag or something. Damn. Whew. Because it's just a tarp. From like a tree to a tree to a tree to a tree to keep them from getting wet. I don't see like, well, I see bags on the ground. That's about it. And maybe some little odds and ends, you know, some spectrums and resources of the placenta. So I'm not understanding the diaphragm. Oh, you guys. Hey, excuse me. You guys, how was your day today? I hope it was very bright and sunny. Great, fucking cigarette went out. I'm outside, so that's why I had to flick more than once. Relax. It's alright. I don't care what they do, sweetheart. It don't bother me. But thank you for telling me, sweetie. Hey! Leia, over here. Tootsie Pop. Tootsie Roll. Tootsie Pole. What you looking at? What the hell is that squeaking? Hey, I think you need a tune-up, buddy. Sounds like a duck or something. Come on. Get up here. Get up here. Oh, good girl. Alright. Pride, we're going to give you a bath like right after your last outside trip. So we don't have to deal with any fucking mess here. Leia, you don't want to go in, or what's happening, bro? Bruh. What's happening, bruh? Bruh. What's happening? What's happening? It's like she wants to flip right. Oh, what's up, Midnight? How are you, baby? Are you having a blessed day, sweetheart? Damn. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I gotta do dishes and mop. No, here comes Pride back down the stairs. Alright. They decided, okay. Alright. I don't know what's going on with you animals, but you better check yourself before you wreck yourself. You understand me? Hold on, I gotta get this shit. Oops, mop. You know what I mean? Ow. Bumaclot Rasta. Oh, will you put a smile on my face, Tootsie Roll? Come here, little mama. Come here. You are getting chunky. I like that. I like that. They did say you would catch up. No, we gotta go inside, sissy. Oh, yes, I know. Oh, good girl, Party Poo. Good girl. Yeah, I know. You know how to get up the stairs, but sometimes you fall. It's okay. You're okay. You're not gonna fall. Ready? Well, you gotta let go of my coat. There you go. Boom. Damn, it smells really good up in this bitch. Damn! Ooh, it smells like Bath and Body Works up in here. Woo! It smells like a McDonald's frappe is what it smells like at this specific time. Well, it's gotta like thaw out just a little bit. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna mop and do dishes. I'll come back on though later, you guys. I gotta get this done though. I really do. Oh boy, I gotta. Oh, when do I get a vacation? Maybe in Twilight Land. Maybe once. You know. Love you too, sweetheart. I'll come back on as soon as I'm done doing up this stuff. How do you get this stuff done, bro? I know. Should have probably already had it done, but I was getting other stuff done, like dusting and stuff, and sweeping, and separating laundry, so. Boy, oh boy, I tell you. Alright, you guys, I will see you later. You guys be safe and sound, and have a fabulous day, and I will see you when I'm done, you guys. Later. Ouch, my socks are coming off.